everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my fridge, or just cleaning up my fridge. I don't do anything special. I'm just going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's, but I have not cleaned and organized my fridge in a very long time, and we're currently having an ice storm in Toronto, so what better time to do it when there's nothing else that I could do. I've also have a grocery haul to include in this. So you'll see some of the groceries that are already in here, but I'm going to take everything out. I'll show you what it looks like before, take it all out, give it a good clean, and then put it all back in a nice orderly fashion. So, very messy. So as you can see, my sides here are just filled with condiments, some drinks, some random stuff. Gotta put the butter in a better way, and that's that. Then we move over to the refrigerator portion. For the refrigerator portion, we just have a mixture of everything everywhere. So I gotta clean some of this stuff out. There's definitely some old stuff in there, and rearrange it. There's definitely stuff thrown in the back in there. And yes, so let's get started. Grocery haul. I've never done this before. Majority of this stuff is for keto recipes, and I can kind of talk about that as we're going through, but this is what we picked up for a whole week of eating. For us, we plan on 4 meals a week, and usually between leftovers and late nights at work and things like that, we pretty much are good, and we eat at home 5 to 6 nights out of the week. So here we go. So first off, this is my favorite sparkling water. I loved LaCroix, but I actually like this better. It's a little crispier. That's what we call it. And this is the President's Choice Lemon Sparkling Water. And then this we picked up today to try out. This is Mango Peach Pineapple Sparkling Water. It sounds really good. No sodium, zero everything. Then we have some President's Choice Frozen Broccoli Florets. I always get this because, you know, sometimes we don't get to the broccoli and then it goes bad. This just ensures that we always have broccoli. We have fresh kale for a kale soup that Andrew's gonna make. We have a white onion, a green pepper. This is for a Philly cheesesteak portobello mushrooms that we're gonna make, which sounds really good. 2 avocados, some bacon. This is our favorite coffee. This is the Illy coffee, and this is really, really good. Minimal bitterness and very smooth. I have 1 package of cream cheese. Then we also bought this to try, the strawberry Perrier. That sounds so good. Then we have 2 boxes of chicken broth, some Olive Garden Italian dressing, which I've never seen before in Canada, so this is new. And then also this Kraft Greek feta. The macros on both of these are actually pretty good. Then for a snack for me, we have some stuffed olives, which sounds so yummy. And Andrew got some grapes. I don't really eat grapes, especially on keto. Then we have lots of meat. We have some grilling steak for the stuffed mushrooms, some pork chops. Pork chops are actually really good. I found this great recipe. Some cheddar bacon sausages, some mild Italian sausages for the soup. Now this was new and I'm really excited to try this. This is a hardwood smoked thighs. There's no sugar in it and it looks like, that looks so yummy. So I can't wait to try this. It comes in 8 pieces, so that's like 2 meals for us for $11. That's pretty good in my opinion. Then we have the portobello mushroom caps, which we're going to use for the Philly cheesesteaks. Some spring mix, the 50-50. I like this one's my favorite. So hopefully I'll eat all of this. If I get half the pack, I go through it way too fast, but then sometimes I don't end up eating all of this. So hopefully this week I will. I don't like sugar-free things, but I just need sometimes something sweet. So I have these 2 flavors of the no sugar added jellos to hopefully curb my sweet tooth. And then last we have this provolone cheese for the Philly cheesesteaks. So that is about it. I am going to put this all away and yeah. So that is my cleaning my fridge and my grocery haul for the day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you next time for another video. Bye!